Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use this massage chair with this screen panel. First, let's turn on the massage chair. Here is where you turn on and change where the airbag works on. And here is where you can change the airbag's intensity. And here is where you can adjust the massage speed. You can turn on and turn off the waist heating function here. And also, you can turn on and turn off the foot rolling function here. You can raise or lower the backrest here. And my favorite part is the zero gravity mode.